Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand the very important process of division called synthetic division. Okay. So in synthetic division method we are applying something different idea or logic as compared to the simple dividing method. Okay. So let's understand how to divide by using synthetic division method. Okay. So the polynomial which is given 3x square plus 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1, and we have to divide this polynomial by x plus 2. Okay. So by using synthetic division method we have to write this in standard form. In standard form means we have to have the power from highest power to the lowest power of the variable. That means we have to write this polynomial as 3x cube. We have the highest power is 3, then plus we have 2x square. After power 3 we have power 2 plus, see, we do not have power 1. That means we have to write 0x. We have to write 0x. Then without variable will be minus 1. Okay. So we have to write our polynomial in this form. Okay. So this is the standard form. Okay. Now we have to use coefficient of this polynomial. So the coefficient of polynomial is coefficient of polynomial. What will be the coefficient? It is 3, 2, 0, minus 1. Okay. So this coefficient we have to write in this table. Okay. So in first row we have to write this coefficient. So here we have 3, then we have 2, then we have 0. You have to write with some distance, and we have minus 1. Okay. Then we have to divide this polynomial by this one. It is the divisor. So here x plus 2 we have. So always remember, if here any number is present, that we have to take opposite of this number. So here we have plus 2, so we have to take minus 2. So we have taken minus 2 here. Okay. So now we are going to apply the synthetic division method. Now see, first you have to write this 3 as it is here. You have to write 3 as it is here. Now minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. So you have to write minus 6 here. Then you have to solve both 2. See, here we have minus 6 and here we have 2. So will become minus 4. Will become minus 4. Then minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. See, minus into minus plus, and 2 into 4 is 8. So from we have to solve this 0 and 8. So they are both positive. So it will become 8. We are adding. Now minus 2 into 8 is minus 16. Will become minus 16. So minus 16 and minus 1 is minus 17. Okay. So minus 17 will be remainder. When we will divide this polynomial 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 by x plus 2, we will have remainder 1. So this minus 7 is remainder. Okay, this is the remainder. Now we have 3 numbers here, 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write 3, minus 4 and 8. Okay. See, if we will have 3 number, then take x to the 3 minus 1 is 2. So you have to take x to the power 2, that is x square. So now we are going to design our quotient. So quotient will be, see, we have 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So always have to see here, if you will get 3 numbers, then you have to subtract 1 from this. So 3 में से हमने 1 subtract किया, so we got 2. That means the variable will come here, will have power 2. So it will become 3x square. Will become 3x square. Now we have minus 4, so will become minus 4x. See, power यहाँ पर क्या है, 2 का है, तो यहाँ पर power 1 का होना चाहिए. And this is without variable, so we have to write plus 8. Okay, so this will be the quotient. Okay, so now we have to write result. So we got the answer here. So quotient will be 3x square minus 4x plus 8 is our quotient, and plus and minus 17, and minus 17 is remainder. Okay, so student, this is the way we have to solve our answer. So student, now we are going to write the result. So what will be result? So the result will be, see, we are dividing this polynomial by this, so we have to write 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 divided by x plus 2 equals to x plus 2 equals to. So quotient is 3x square, so 3x square minus 4x plus 8 and minus 17. Okay, so this is the way we have to write the answer. So students, this is the way we have to solve our problems depend on the synthetic division method. Okay, so by synthetic division method we have completed our solution. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Okay, so this is only for your understanding. Okay, so write down now. So now we are going to solve the second solved problem. Okay, so here we have 2y to the power 4 minus 3y to the power 3. Then we have 5y minus 4, and this polynomial is going to divide by y minus 1. Okay, so we have to write this first in its standard form. That means from highest power to the lowest power and without variable form. Okay, so we can write this polynomial as 2y to the power 4 minus 3y to the power 3. See, we have power 4, power 3. We do not have power 2. So we have to write plus 0y to the power 2. Then power 2 after we have power 1. Then we have to write plus 5y minus 4. Okay, and which is going to divide by y minus 1. So here we have to use coefficient. So coefficient of the polynomial is it is 2, then minus 3, 0, 5 minus 4. So again we have to draw the table. Here we have to write 2 minus 3, 0, 5 and minus 4. Then again here we have y minus 1. सो डिविजर का जो माइनस 1 है, हमको हमेशा उसका अपोजिट लेना है. सो माइनस 1 का अपोजिट 1. ओके, नाउ हमको फर्स्ट क्या करना है, इस 2 को एज इट इज प्लेस कर देना है यहाँ. ओके, नाउ 1 into 2 is 2. So minus 3 and 2 is minus 1. Then minus into minus is minus, and 1 into 1 is 1. So here will be minus 1. So 0 and minus 1 is minus 1. Then 1 into minus 1 is again minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 1 into 4 is 4. So minus 4 and 4 is 0. So when we will divide this polynomial by y minus 4, we will get remainder 0. So it is our remainder. Remainder is 0. Now we have these 4 numbers, which are this 2, -1 and 4. Okay. See, again we have 4 numbers. That means the power of y will be 3. So y के पावर के लिए हम जितने नंबर है उसमें से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. So we had to start from the y to the power 3. Okay. So here we had 2. So our quotient will be क्या हो जाएगा quotient? It is 2y to the power 3 minus y to the power 2, then minus y, then plus 4. Okay. So this is our quotient and remainder is 0. Therefore we have to write this in answer result form. Okay. So the result will be 2y to the power 4 minus 3y to the power 3 plus 5y minus 4 divided by y minus 1 equals to, अब देखो हम इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे. सो आंसर क्या आएगा? 2y to the power 3 minus y square minus y plus 4 and remainder will be 0. So remainder is 0. Okay. So this will be our answer. So students, by this way you have to apply the synthetic division method for dividing, or we can say to apply arithmetic operation called division. So this is the synthetic division method. Okay. So it is really very easy one. You can solve by this method only within the minute. Okay. So just keep this mind that this polynomial is going to divide by this polynomial will take long time, but by synthetic division method you can quickly get your answer. Okay. So write down now. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द प्रैक्टिस सेट. ओके. सो डू प्रैक्टिस दिस सिंथेटिक डिवीजन मेथड वंस एट होम. ओके. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.